Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Huawei Nova Y70 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 applications for this device. Alrighty, let's start. The first app is called WTMP, which stands short for Who Touched My Phone. Once activated, this app imperceptibly takes pictures from the frontal, or should I say selfie, camera of your smartphone. Each time there is an attempt to unlock your screen, whether this attempt is successful or not. Therefore, if somebody were to, try to get an unauthorized access to your device, or somebody were able to get it, you'll know it by simply launching the app and seeing the entries that it will contain. So let's go ahead and test it out. So in order for the WTMP app to be activated, you gotta tap on the gray power button and make it green. So let's lock the screen. I'll imitate the failed screen unlock attempt, as well as actually unlock the device. And as you can see, once I relaunch or should I say reopen the WTMP, I'll see that 2 entries have been created. The first is device not unlocked and respective photo taken, and the device successful unlock attempt as well. The next app is called PixArt, a very well-known app for editing, retouching, and doing various kind of stuff with pictures and videos. So a very convenient and full of features editor for photos and videos, as I've mentioned. So let's grant it the gallery access. We'll pick some photo. I'll go with this one, for example. Skip the ad. And as you can see, at the bottom part of your screen, it will contain all the available tools, or should I say, all the available category of tools. So each of those icons contains a bunch of tools, as you can see, a bunch of options, a bunch of editing stuff that you can apply onto your image. So it allows you to apply custom effects. This section or this category contains plenty of tools to edit and retouch the picture. For example, this section contains the stickers that you can apply onto the picture. And there are quite a few more possible options that we highly recommend that you download this app and explore yourself, since if we were to show you everything that the PixArt is capable of, this video would probably last for a day or so. Alrighty, moving on to the third and last app for this video, that is called Turbo VPN. As you could already guess, this app allows you to set up the VPN/proxy connection very conveniently. So let's go ahead and launch it. In order for it to be activated, and therefore in order for the VPN to be enabled, simply tap on this circle caret icon, skip the ad, and as you can see over here, as well as at the notification center, the VPN connection has been successfully established. By tapping over here, you are able to choose the particular location that you would like to use as the, location for your VPN connection. There are quite a few locations that are available at the free version of the app. This entire section is devoted to, only features that are available to the premium version. But to be honest with you, the free version is good enough, so there is no urge to, upgrade it, I think. And that would be pretty much it. If you would like to turn off the VPN connection, simply tap either over here or over there. And as you can see now, we've not only shut down the VPN connection, but also, we also have gotten some brief connection report. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.